Managing staff attendance manually can quickly become confusing. You may not know who is currently working, who is late, or whether shifts are being followed properly. To solve this, Zon Staff Management provides a structured system for tracking attendance inside Shopify POS. Staff can clock in and clock out using different methods. They can use the Shopify POS mobile app or access the web portal. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the web portal method. To get started, go to your Shopify admin. From the left side, click on Apps. Then open Zon Staff Management. Once the app opens, you can access the staff web portal by clicking on this arrow. This is where your staff can manage everything. When the portal opens, you'll see the staff dashboard. From here, your team members can clock in or clock out. They can also check their profile and view their assigned shifts. They can manage their tasks and also check shift details and leave records. So basically, everything your staff needs is available in one place. Now, to start a shift, staff simply click on the clock in button. After that, they'll be asked to enter their PIN. They just enter their assigned PIN to confirm. Once the PIN is entered, the clock in time is recorded and the working hours start automatically. This eliminates the need for manual tracking and reduces the chances of errors. And that's it. This is how you can easily track staff attendance using Zon Staff Management. All attendance data is stored securely in the system. Store owners and managers can easily monitor staff activity, track attendance, and manage shifts more effectively. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.